I never did it before.
I will use my experience to improve our products.
I think I learned a lot today.
Now I know how the process looks like under the digital systems and programming.
Welcome everyone. We are going to test customer journeys in digital. We are going to visit multiple showrooms around Warsaw. Let's go.
Very educative, especially for me, for a person who doesn't own the car.
I can compare what clients really go through.
And what they feel actually when they come to buy a car.
I gathered quite a lot of my own personal car buying experience, but having this collected from 30 different locations at the same time gives us unparalleled insight into how this process works right now across the industry.